look at this adorable hat that I just got. Got it from a girl that I knew in high school. What's up, Brucey? What? That's what we called her.
Cat mom. Probably about a $12, $15 game. This is probably about 10 to 15, maybe. Such a good game. Far Cry 3. I guess I need to go get cash, don't I? I was waiting one day we'll open up an NBA Elite 11s in there. America.
Oh, stop. Oh, you're so, oh, it's a vampire kitty. That's kind of cute.
Halloween season. I'm hoping to find some random video game teas in here. It looks like it's all like Candy Chesney. Is this like a t-shirt booth? Yeah, I saw those in there.
Ooh.
Kingdom Hearts XL. Might as well get that. Oh, okay, I see no price. Got a cool little Gears of War figure.
Ooh. Is that The Witcher?
Bloodshot, whatever that is. What is this? What's this lucky thing? This is Victor Max.
He said 30 for it.
30?
Yeah.
Can I look at it real quick?
Yeah. You can open it.
Victor Max. It's right here on this top shelf.
Thank you. Yeah.
It's above market value.
She's clean.
30's above online price though. Look at these. Okay. I'll probably pass on that one.
Playing cards, Pokemon playing cards. It's pretty sweet. Pikachu!
HD collection. Boom, boom. That's a good one.
There's Rust Roach.
He knows where he at. Yeah, he knows where he at. Nice. He's so funny.
Look at those gorgeous amiibos.
Once you put that set, you gotta start getting stuff like that.
Yeah. And like the Mario Kart wheel for the Wii U. I got the Luigi.
This is so short, you want something like go like this.
Terminator.
I like this gun. This would be so sick to have in the game room. Something like this is like $10,000, $15,000.
Ooh, guys, look at this 64, and then bam, that Metal Gear Solid PSP. They went $450.
Pretty sure this is Fallout. There's the Bethesda. I can never say this name, but it's the Vault Tech. This could be worse than Moolah.
Ooh, they do have some strategy guides though.
Assassin's Creed. It's a bunch of Game Informers. That's pretty neat. Let's see that. Turning Point. Metal Gear. Ooh, Call of Duty 4, baby. It's pretty sick. Guitar Hero. Oh, Assassin's Creed coloring book.
Ooh.
For you virgins out there. Amy, I'm talking about you.
Yo, am I the virgin?
Yes.
Okay. That makes sense.
Psychonauts. Let's see what kind of Assassin's Creed, Ratchet and Clank, Gears of War, we have those. Assassin's Creed, Medal of Honor, Dead or Alive, Black Flag.
Oh, it is Fallout. Look.
So it looks like there's a few on here. And this graphic for like 25. That'd be worth more than that. Gotcha.
Quick enough for us.
I just love tacos. Don't you love tacos? Tacos are yummy. I got my figure.